Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's video, we are going to learn 10 important phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a phrase made up of one verb plus one small word, which may be a preposition or an adverb. You may be asking, why are phrasal verbs important to know? Well, number one, they are everywhere. Native English speakers use phrasal verbs all the time in their daily conversations. Number two, it makes you sound more natural when you use phrasal verbs in your sentences. It helps you to sound less formal and more fluent. And I know the goal of studying English with me is to become fluent eventually. Number three, they cover daily life, from morning routines to travel to work to relationships. Phrasal verbs describe actions that we do every day. Number four, they're often idiomatic. The meaning is not always obvious from the individual words, so they must be learned in chunks. To summarize why you need to pay attention to today's lesson is when you speak English using phrasal verbs in your sentences, it will help you to sound more fluent and more natural. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you loved today's lesson, check out the ebook below in the description. I have a 90 phrasal verb ebook available for you. I worked very hard to put this book together to help you to learn English. Today, I am vlogging in my office. It has been a long time since I've vlogged in here, and I want to show you this present that I got from FlexiSpot. They sent me a chair. I needed a new chair because I spend hours sitting down in front of my laptop editing my videos. So coincidentally, this company called FlexiSpot sent me a chair. So I would like to thank them, and I can actually teach you several phrasal verbs using my new chair. I am going to teach you 10 phrasal verbs. After each phrasal verb, I will provide an example sentence. To sit down. This means to move your body into a sitting position. When I sit down in this chair, I can comfortably vlog. To hold up. This means to support something or keep it in place. The built-in back support holds up my lower back to decrease tension. To move around. This means to change position or location freely. The armrests are easy to move around. I can turn it side to side, up and down, backward and forward. To pull out. This means to extend or remove something by pulling. When I need to rest my legs, I can pull out this footrest. To stand up to. This means to be strong enough to resist or last through use or stress. The mesh feels cool against my body, and the materials seem like they'll stand up to daily use without wearing out. To fit in. This means to match well with other things in a space or group. Even though my chair is black, it fits in well with the rest of my office. To turn on. To make a light or machine start working. I usually turn on this lamp to brighten up the room. To fluff up. This means to shake or pat something soft so it looks bigger and feels more comfortable. Before I sit in this rocking chair, I fluff up the pillow so it's more comfortable. To pull open. This means to open something by pulling it towards you. I had to pull open this drawer to grab a charger. To sort out. This means to organize things in the right order or place. I spent the afternoon sorting out my books so that it looks nice and organized. Let me know in the comments which of these phrasal verbs are new to you, and also feel free to leave your own example sentences and I will provide corrections if it's needed. If you loved this lesson, please check out the 90-page phrasal verb ebook in the description below. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.